In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Google Photos backup quality. If you use Google Photos on Android, choosing the right backup quality helps you balance image detail with how much storage you use. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, what each option means, and how to pick the one that fits your needs. Start by opening the Google Photos app on your Android device. On the top right corner, tap your profile picture or initial to open your account menu. From there, select Photos Settings to get to the main controls for the app. Next, tap Backup. This is where Google Photos manages how your pictures and videos are saved to your account. Now, tap Backup Quality. You'll see the available options listed on this screen. You can choose Original Quality, Storage Saver, or, in some regions, Express. Original Quality keeps your photos and videos in full resolution. This is the best choice if you want maximum detail for editing, archiving, or making large prints. It preserves fine textures and sharpness, but it uses more of your Google account storage because files stay at their full size. Storage Saver compresses your photos and videos to reduce file size while keeping them looking good for everyday use. It's a strong choice if you want to fit more memories into your available storage. Keep in mind that videos above 1080p may be reduced to 1080p under this option, which helps save space but slightly lowers video resolution. Express, if it appears for you, applies a more aggressive compression, resulting in smaller file sizes and quicker backups, especially on slower connections. It's practical if storage is very limited or you mainly view photos on mobile screens. Note that Express isn't available in all regions, so you may not see it. When you're deciding, think about how you use your photos. If you regularly edit images, crop tightly, or print large, original quality is usually worth the extra storage. If you mostly share on social media, view on your phone, or want to stretch your storage further, Storage Saver is typically the best balance. Express is the most space efficient, with a noticeable trade-off in detail. Two important things to remember: changing the backup quality only affects future uploads from that device. Anything already backed up stays as it is. Also, if you use Google Photos on multiple devices, you'll need to set the backup quality separately on each one. That's it. Open Google Photos, head to Photo Settings, go to Backup, choose Backup Quality, and pick the option that matches how you use your photos.